Shesha. Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about EXIF tool. Now in a small description you can add any kind of details in any kind of files. So let me just brief you about it. This tool basically allows you to write, read and even edit metadata. In simple terms, whenever you have any kind of file, it can be an image, movie or PDF file, there is something called as metadata. Now metadata basically has details of where the file was created and various other details. So this tool will basically allow you to add information to the metadata, and at the same time it is used by hackers to add data or by forensic people to understand where the files are created. Now there are two methods to usually use this. The first one is a command line, and this is the tool, and I've added all the links in the description, but it is sort of command line and it is not used much, but yes, this is also a use case. So after installing it, there is available for Windows, Linux and OS X. If you just type in the name of the tool -h, you will get details of the tools. So how you can read the file, how you can write it, how you can copy it and other details as well. So if we scroll down a bit, you will notice that it can detect a lot of file types and at the same time different types of cameras and all the operating systems, all the file types actually. So there are a lot of things that can be detected and seen over here. The simple ones that I personally prefer using is the GUI web interface, and as you can see there is a lot of things that it can do. Let's just go to the web interface, which is quite simple I feel. So I'll just maximize the screen. By the way, the video that you are seeing is on a Mac, so hence this tool is also available on Linux and you can download it. We are looking for the website exif.tools. Now over here you can upload the file directly, or there is a option to download the URL and upload a file. So we have few random samples. So for example, this one is an image of some place. I'll just click on upload and you will notice that there is a lot of information, not much because it is a downloaded file. So as you can see, there is a version and number and various other details and the last modification dates. Now since it is a downloaded file, it is not giving us much information. You can also use a HTTP header for a URL to analyze it. And now let's upload a screenshot and let's see the power of the tool. So I'll just click on upload. It's a screenshot from my Instagram account where I am teaching Mumbai Police, and as you can see, if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to notice some core information like the profile type. It is showing Apple computer, and if you scroll down even bit, you can just click and see it's a display device profile. And if I scroll down even a bit, on the left hand side you can see the blue icons which will allow you to see more details about the information. And as you can see, it's a screenshot from an iMac. There is a lot of profile description available. Now the most important thing to notice is over here it's a screenshot from an iMac, and still I don't have the copyright and Apple has the copyright. It's a screenshot that I've taken from my own computer. So as you can see, there's an comment over here which shows it's a screenshot, and then again we have the encryption and various other things. So it's a great tool. Now let's move forward and let's try to investigate on some ChatGPT created images, and let's see does it can detect or not. So I'll just go back, I'll click on choose, and in my downloads I have some ChatGPT images. So I'll just click on the ChatGPT image and let's upload it and let's see what kind of data we can find. You will notice that not much data is available over here as well, because the reason being the encryption or compression. So ChatGPT uses deflate, inflate options, and I'll just go back, and now let's try to upload some other files. So let's try to upload some file from my WhatsApp, and I'll just click on it and let's upload it. Now one important thing over here is, if you upload directly on WhatsApp, it will not show much details, but if you upload it directly from the phone's camera, you will notice a lot of things. Like in previous cases, it was showing us details of the camera, that was Motorola phone, and it works on various media files. As you can see, I used iText, which is again a Mac thing. So there is a lot of things. Now let's try to upload something that can interest us. So now over here I am uploading a thing that was sent over WhatsApp, and you'll notice that most of the details are encrypted because WhatsApp sends files in encrypted mode. Even if you download, it is compressed.